Okay. Total number of students, I see that most of you got it right too. It's 150. This question is really very easy. You shouldn't get it wrong. So this question tests you on interpretation of both the bar and the pie chart. So the information given to you, you don't know your guitar club, but there were twice as many students in guitar as in art. So if you want to visualize it, you can sketch out in the drawing, right? If it's twice, this is one. Then twice would look something like this, right? So your twice would roughly be something like this. Okay, it doesn't need to be very precise, but you ought to know that it will be roughly around this figure. Okay, so very clearly we can see the sequencing, right? So the one with the least must be W, which is art. Then the one that is second most is guitar, and that's why guitar is X. And then the one that is the third most is chess. And finally, fourth most, or the one with the most rather, is dance. Okay. And once you have that, you should be able to go and calculate percentages, right? So 40% is 60 students. Please use arrow if you're writing this way. If you want to use equal sign, then you have to tell me that 40% of the students equal to 60. You can go and find 1%. It's a calculator question. It doesn't really matter. But I don't like finding 1% when I can find easy numbers like this. Some of you will find 20%. It is fine. Up to you. But very straightforward. Should not be a problem. Okay. The only problem here you may encounter is if your A is wrong, then your B might also automatically be wrong. So please make sure you take note of the questions.